Tracy Coretta here, bringing you everything food, beauty, lifestyle, and yoga related to help you create the life that you love. Today I'll be showing you how to make an all-natural air freshener. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So you'll need a spray bottle, rubbing alcohol, 3/4 cup of water, and a combination of essential oils that you really like. I will leave a link below to my website giving you a couple different combinations, some popular brands here. And so we're going to mix our 2 to 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol with our water. We're going to pour that mixture into our spray bottle. And we're going to add our essential oils combination. Today I mixed lavender, geranium, and vanilla. Mix, mix, mix. And there you have it, all natural air freshener. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you liked this recipe, and on my website I'll have some more combinations like odor eliminator, concentration cocktail, and flower garden. Bye guys.